Hey guys, Ascend Artco here with some more Twistin tips. Now we're going to connect two pipe cleaners and try and make them look like they're one. Disclaimer, they're never going to look perfect. You're just trying to minimize inconsistencies to make your fills and weaves look the best they can. So when you're doing this, you're going to take two ends, you're going to cross them. If you come to the end of one and you need to add on another pipe cleaner, this is the tool. Right here, like this, you're gonna hold and you're gonna lightly, I'm not squeezing or anything, I am lightly turning this over, like if you had a twist tie in your hand. That's basically the pressure. When you're tying back a bag of bread, that's the pressure you need to put on this. And when you get to the end, I do this here to lock it in so I'm not twisting over. And then you got a pretty good little pipe cleaner connection. You can't see a whole bunch of that. And that's the point. You're trying to make it look as clean as possible so your pieces can be great.